Lateral pelvic tilt is when you are shifted that way or this way in walking or in holding a pose. It's a lot more common than people realize, unfortunately, because we are losing strength in our glutes, which are gluteus medius, which are great stabilizers of the pelvis, and their weakness cause this type of movement. Hi, I'm Dr. Shakib from Irvine Spine and Wellness Center, your Irvine Posture and Movement Clinic. So the exercise that I really like is the one that challenges us into going lateral or sideways with our pelvis, and for us to avoid doing that. I don't recommend time or number of reps doing an exercise. What I like is how much or how long are you able to hold a pose. So if I had a lateral pelvis issue and it would be weak, I'd be sitting, or I would be lunging like so. So in order for me to correct that, both of my legs are actually playing a role. And what I want to do is, in my head, I want to think about my pelvis on my left side here would be pushing to the opposite side, while this side, the front leg, will have to bring the pelvis down to make it level. So this is a slow process. So I can't just go this way and think, okay, I solved the problem, or I can't just push this down and in the process of pushing this down, pushing my opposite hip out. So first, I want to be upright, nice and elongated. My shoulder, the side of my hip, and the side of middle of my knee on the same line. And I want to be going slowly in that direction, opposite direction, and dropping this down. Now, for those of you who don't have good knees and you can't kneel down, maybe surgeries or something, when it's safe, and I suggest that you grab a chair or something for protection, when you're standing upright on both feet, upright meaning it's plumb, so middle of the ear, middle of the shoulder, middle of the hip, middle of the knee, and the outside bump of your ankle all lining up. Are you able to stand plumb, shift does not mean this way, shift the whole thing from the middle to one side, hold it there, and without letting the butt go out, keep yourself up. If you want to hold on lightly with the opposite side leg for support, or if you're able to bring it up, you want to have a chair or something handy for balance. This is a good exercise, because if it's weak, that's going to happen. We don't want to do that. So everything there needs to be lifting me up without rising my bent knee on rising that pelvis on the bent knee side. So give that a try, be patient. I think the worst thing that we can do is lose the patience. This is something that did not happen overnight, and it won't go away overnight. If you have any questions, make sure you use one of the methods of contact in the description box. And until next time, take care.